करीना जी
करीना जी यहाँ पर करीना जी यहाँ पर देखिए करीना जी यहाँ पर
करीना जी
यहाँ पर
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन
We'll get her in now.
गाइस मैं आप करीना जी यहाँ पर देखिए करीना जी ए भाई एक लिंबर पीछे दे करीना जी यहाँ पर देखिए करीना जी मैडम करीना जी ओ मैडम मैं फोटो ही नहीं हुआ
needs no introduction, but a huge round of applause for her. It's an honor to share this stage with her as a also personal admirer and a fan of her work. But we are so honored to celebrate her latest release and her almost 25 years in the industry with this film festival that is so reflective of her amazing talent, her amazing range, and her diversity as an actor. It's 25 years, 67 films, and 67 amazing collaborations. And I wish we had the time to show all the 67 films this festival, but we chose 6, and we feel it rightly, reflects her bold choices. And her amazing and very innovative portrayals over the years. And we're very honored to, be a platform that shows all her shades as an artist. So thank you for being here and welcome and congratulations.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Kareena Kapoor Khan. I think that's what a star is, because while we started, the eyes were right at the door waiting for you to make that grand entry. I'd request all of you to please take your seat.
Are you joining us?
Super. So,
As cliche as it sounds, but it just feels like I just gave my first shot yesterday, because that's the kind of energy I have inside me. So I think I still have that fire, that want, that need, that greed of wanting to just be in front of the camera. So today I think I'm feeling honored and humbled, because obviously I'm so grateful to PVR and all of you, to Niharika, to everyone who's actually thought of having this festival for all my films, because I still can't believe it's actually going to be 25 years. But I'm so happy that everyone's going to get to watch all the fun movies, as well as some films that I feel deserve so much more at that time are going to get it now, because they're all going to come and watch it, again. So I feel really, really happy that I'm here, and we're going to talk about my movies and how I enjoyed playing those characters. So very, very excited.
I know
I think Buckingham Murders was a very brave film, because it's a film that we set out to do, which would be very true to its ethnicity, its authenticity. We wanted to shoot the film in a small town in England, and it was a story about that. But the way Hansal wanted to shoot it, we were like, we can't have people speak in Hindi, the local people living there. So we said, let's make a Hindi and English and an English film, but let's stick to, its truest form. So somehow I just wanted to do it. I thought after 25 years, if it's not now to experiment and do something different, it's going to be never. And I've always actually tried to do that with films like Chameli and Dev, very early on in my career. So it's no different now that on its 25th year, if I would want to do something different.
because every other film, the commercial genres like The Crew and Singham and everything is so much a part of my DNA, and it's always going to be a part of me. And that's going to be life. But I also want to do things and try out different things, sometimes as an actor as well. So it's important to strike that balance, and I'm happy I've done that because people are watching that version of the film, of the English film, and loving it. So it's a sense of, it's a good feeling to know that, okay, people will go to brave out different films as well.
Differentiated experience, when you bring them back, there is this positive cycle. Like we keep talking about streaming versus theaters, but these re-releases, the ones which are doing well, is a great example of a positive symbiotic relationship between streaming and theaters, because these films have been discovered on streaming. So Tumbar, which has been available for maybe 6 or 7 years, doing these sort of numbers like a brand new film, is something which we wouldn't have thought or imagined.
I think it's so unfair to pick one film, considering like Niharika just said, I've done 67. I didn't even know that. I think after a point, you just lose count as what number film it is.
Okay,
So
let
it's
me
difficult.
rephrase it. Which is the film you've seen most, your own film? Maximum rewatches, or
Oh God, I don't know. Maybe it would be, I think, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. I think just as half the world has, I think I'm pretty much a fan of that film as well, because I love the idea of family, tradition, just that warmth. It gives you that warm feeling. I think that's what everyone kind of loves, and that's why it's, I think, one of the most loved films also.
I think Kareena, you must also be given credit. Did you ever imagine that it's going to be such an integral part of popular culture?
Not at all. I think when we were doing Pooh, at least, I was following just Karan's instructions. I knew it was like a super fun character, but no one really thought that, 25 years later, you'll still have characters based around Pooh who are like her, That was never really the intention, because I think when you set out with an intention of saying that we have to make this character great, or this has to be amazing, it's going to be fab, and think that. I think it just happens. Magic has to be, it just has to happen, You never really know when you're creating it. And with Geet, it was the same thing, because I was shooting Tashan simultaneously. And Tashan was a really big film, because it had Akshay Kumar, it had Anilji, it had Saif Ali Khan, and it was a YRF film. Whereas Jab Bhi Met was it was more like, it was like we were new, and Imtiaz had done one film, and there were never really any big names attached to it at that point. So I was always I'm like, Tashan is going to be amazing, and I'm working on this body and going to do my action film, and I would just come on the set, but my focus was Tashan. But I didn't really know that what was happening, and then Jab Bhi Met just released, and not that Tashan isn't special, but people just loved Jab Bhi Met more than that. So when you think that, everyone's going to watch this, but everyone watched that. So there was no real plan that, it's going to be amazing. I was also a bit like, no one really thought that. So it just happens. I think magic should just, happen. It can't be planned. We say it can be created, but it's just,
Another thing that wasn't planned and it happened and it felt like magic was the whole Sananana trend.
Yeah.
Suddenly,
and
the
again
song
after
from
18, 20 years.
and we were all waiting for you to probably do that reel or trend. What did you make of it? Were you surprised?
No, I was just like, oh God. But though, I think it truly is an iconic song because of the way Santosh shot it. There was something very raw but yet sexy about it. And everyone wanted to see it was like, this quintessential heroine who was, the classic under, the waterfall and being fun, and people connected to that energy, I feel, somehow. And I'm so happy that Ashoka is part of the re-release list, because it truly is one of my most favorite movies. Because, I was like, I think 20 and it was obviously my first actual film which I did with Shah Rukh, because in K3G I wasn't opposite Shah Rukh. So for me, Ashoka will have amazing memories, and I think the music, look at it, like you said, the trend. So I think people are going to come to the theatre and going to watch it, because the music from Raat Ka Nasha to San Sanana, it was all just, it was so ahead of its time, I think.
Super. You know, a lot of filmmakers that you not Geet, how is that possible?
I know I think half the decade went where people thought I was Pooh, and like I lived like her and had all these couture clothes and thought that I was so cool and went on, you know, whatever, okay, that's Bebo.
Yeah.
And then the other half of the decade went on with people, you know, believing like I'm the Bhatinda ki Sikhni.
You never
But
stop talking.
yeah, I never stopped talking. But maybe I'm a mix of both, people who know me. But I think it's not about that. It's about that like I said, that I'm so passionate about acting, and also have to credit so many of my directors and, you know, the actors who've been so amazing in so many movies, like whether it was Omkara, also what that's playing at the festival now. I think, you know, like Saif was just out of this world. And, you know, I had a trial and I called, it's just an instant, like I called everybody. Like I said, it's such a good performance, so I'm going to call all the directors, from like Mani Ratnam to everybody, all the directors. I'm going to have this trial and call all the directors, because I think I've done really well in this movie. So I had this trial in Film City and everybody was there. And of course, Vishal and, you know, Coco and Vivek and everyone were there. And Saif was also there. And I was like excited that they're going to watch me as Desdemona, because Dolly Mishra is like, you know, she was one of the most, actually Shakespeare never really wrote too many female characters. So it was like such a special character. So I, you know, called all the directors and made them sit and said, okay, now this is it. And in interval, everyone came out and was like, yeah, really nice, really nice. We loved everyone, and, you know, like Saif was amazing. And then the movie ended and everyone was like, you were fab, but where's Saif? Where's Saif? Where's Saif? And I was like, what has happened? I called everybody to praise me, and then suddenly everyone just flocked to Saif and was praising him. But so I have to credit a lot of my films and actors bounce off each other's energy. So I think great films like Omkara or Jab We Met, we've always bounced off each other's energy. Whether it was Amir in Three Idiots also. So famous scenes, you know, you need to take from them as well. So I also want to take this opportunity to thank all my actors, you know, in all these wonderful films, you know, whether all of them, because it's just, you know, without them, none of these films, whether it was Omkara, Jab We Met, any of them that's playing Ashoka would not be what it was without them.
How lovely.
Hopefully soon I would love to work with him. I mean, right now he's like also going to taste blood, because he's, you know, coming in for the first time in a Telugu film that's releasing next week. So I think that people are really excited. So I would love to do something with him soon, hopefully.
Lovely. Niharika, Kareena spoke about how sometimes you just don't know what becomes of it.
Because I do come from a family where I've been challenged and always felt like they're so amazing, but I need to leave my mark somewhere. तो ये longevity नहीं होती अगर वो सोच नहीं होता, that कि ये करना है, कैसे करना है, how else am I going to last? Otherwise then there would, every 10 years there's somebody new. But so sustaining it is the main thing. And for me, that is why I have to have choices of Buckingham Murder at the same time of Singham, at the same time of Crew, or a film like Jaane Jaan on the streaming platform, which I feel that if it would have come in the theatres would have been fab. Which I don't know, I hope it comes. I don't know what the deal is if we can, since it was a streaming film. Because I feel it did so well for the streaming platform, it could have done well in the cinema.
You need to have the streaming guys also sitting. They control the rights.
Exactly. So I think that it just, you have to try and do different things.
Yeah. You know, guys, I'm having, like she said, 30% luck. Today I have the 100% luck, because I'm, of course, moderating this conversation. But I'd like to open it up to all of you. Do we have questions from?
You are the first female actor who has been honored with a festival. We had people like Amitabh Bachchan who had been honored by festival. So when you think about that, is it believable, or how grateful do you feel, or what do you feel? Did you talk to Saif about it, saying that I can't believe it? How does it feel?
So he was extremely happy. He wants to come and watch all the films. He's myself as just, you know, a brand. I want people to watch my work, my films, and I want people to know that I was, you know, and that I am an actor who's very, very, you know, passionate about her job. An actor who's been very, very loved by her fans, because I am where I am after 25 years. To be here is only because of them, because their loyal support and their love. And I am, you know, being that particular person.
My second question, you know, taking it ahead from Sana. So I remember once you had told me that, you know, Taimur loved watching Bhool Bhulaiya along with his dad. But is there any film of yours that he or Jay they have watched, or do you regulate their screen time a lot?
Yeah, nowadays I have to, so there's no option. I mean, you know, but no, I guess maybe I should get them to watch something at the festival. I think here when it's playing.
Which film would you choose for them whenever they start watching it?
I don't know. I think if I ask everyone, everyone's going to say Jab We Met. So I know that's the answer. Yeah, I think so, na. Omkara would be a bit shocking to see, you know, for them with their father. So yeah, I think Jab We Met maybe. Let's start with that. They haven't started watching that, but maybe we should start with that. I have to. There's no option. So Monday to Friday screen time is like, no. But then he's always like, but then why are you watching TV? Why are you on your phone? So these days, you know, kids are, it has to be, you know, the parents also have to kind of do what they want their kids to do. So, you know, when we're at like wanting to put them to bed, then we're also reading and not watching TV till they go to sleep. Because I guess they learn from example, you know, there's no other way. If they're going to see us on the phone or on the screen, they'll want to do that. Right. We've done
कमर्शियल फिल्म करने के बाद जब बकिंगम मॉडल जैसी फिल्म करते हैं जो बिल्कुल अलग सिनेमा एकदम अलग किरदार है आपका, वो मतलब क्रू आपने अभी की, वो कमर्शियल इतनी कामयाब फिल्म, ये इंग्लिश फिल्म है, ये आपने की, ये जुर्रत कहाँ से आती है? और जब क्रिटिकली कोई फिल्म कामयाब हो जाती है, जैसे बकिंगम मॉडल को बहुत तारीफ करी, लेकिन कमर्शियली उतनी कामयाब नहीं हुई, तो हाउ डू यू हैंडल दिस?
I think after so इतने सालों बाद, इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स करने के बाद, अगर एक्टर्स ब्रेव चॉइसेस नहीं ले पाते हैं और अलग फिल्म्स नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो आई थिंक दे कांट जस्ट बी नोन एज, यू नो, कि अगर मैं जिंदगी भर सिंगम और क्रू में काम करूँ तो आई थिंक वो यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू थिंग्स डिफरेंटली. वो टू लास्ट 25 years एक ही टाइप की फिल्म में हम नहीं काम कर सकते हैं. अलग अलग फिल्म काम करने में वो एक लॉन्जिटिविटी, एक रास्ता देता है, एक ऑक्सीजन टैंक जैसे बनता है. एंड आई थिंक फॉर अ फिल्म लाइक, आई मीन, मैंने चमेली, आई डिड इट इन माय करियर एट द एज ऑफ 22. आई थिंक नोबडी थॉट, तब सब कह रहे थे कि नहीं, करीना नहीं कर पाएगी ऐसे टाइप की फिल्म. एंड फॉर दैट टाइम इट डिड सो वेल. सो आई थिंक दैट at this stage in my career, it's also important कि अलग अलग किरदार करना ज़रूरी है, कि करीना ये भी कर सकती है, वो भी कर सकती है. At the same time, गीत जैसे रोल्स ही नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं. I can't only keep doing गीत all my life. जैसे मैंने कहा कि आधी ज़िंदगी ऐसे ही चली गई. पहले 10 साल के लोग समझते थे कि ये गीत ही है, अभी ये पूल टाइप के ही रोल्स. तभी तो then people were just offering me those kind of roles. तो अगर if I had picked every role like that, I think आज ये फेस्टिवल नहीं होता, क्योंकि वो रोल would not have been part of pop culture. तो अगले 25 साल करने की ताकत है कि अलग अलग रोल्स, कुछ फिल्में 100 करोड़ हो, 500 करोड़ हो, बट कुछ फिल्में अगर कुछ लोग भी देखें और तारीफ करें, I think वो उससे दिल खुश भी हो जाता है कि audience is there to watch this kind of film.
Beautiful. I think on that note, I will have to cut short the Q&A.
राइट नहीं है मैम.
निम्बल पार्टी है ना भाई, ये लुक क्या
All smiles at you.
करेगा.
सोलो करना है।
थोड़ा लाइट दो स्टेप पीछे जाइए। टेबल हटा दो ना मैडम, टेबल दो स्टेप पीछे जाइए। लाइट नहीं आ रही है आपके, इसका पीछे जाइए।
थोड़ा मोबाइल पीछे लगेगा।
करीना मैम यो सेंटर थोड़ा खाली है, थोड़ा खाली है।
दादा उल्लू फिल्टर लगाओ ना।
ये
करीना जी राइट कौन? करीना जी सेंटर।
करीना मैम यो सेंटर करीना सेंटर
दादा ओ मैडम जी आप
ये
करीना मैम राइट कौन? वेट वो रख दो, वो रख के एडॉक से हट जाएगा। ये चेयर हटा दो ना पीछे का।
Thank you, everyone. I have a small list of people we must thank.
वेट
ये तो हम
सोलो करीना प्लीज मैम नाम क्या है?
करीना मैम वन पिक्चर मैम चलो